Hey there, it's the How To Girl Courtney 6, and spring is finally here. The sun's out, it's not cold anymore, knock on wood, thank goodness. And I'm just so excited that the cold's gone, finally. So without further ado, I want to show you how to make a really fun and colorful arrangement. We're going to be using white roses, tea leaves, aren't these so pretty, to line our vase, and a colorful assortment of Calla Lilies. So let's get started. I just love the purple and the kind of maroon red in these. It's just such a pretty pop of color for your arrangement, and it's a great way to line your glass vase, and it hides the stems. So which stems are great, it just depends on what look you're going for. So we're gonna trim the stem off, just like so. Notice there's no water in our vase to start. And then you're gently, very gently, just gonna bend your tea leaf to make a little circle and place it in, just like so. Next, we're gonna make a grid. Now I love grids, I use them all the time unless I'm using floral foam, and it gives you just some, a little more control on where your flowers are going, and it kind of holds them in place. So we're gonna make a grid today, making 4 boxes at the top of your vase. 4 areas to place your flowers rather than one large area. So to do this, I just used my clear floral tape and put it directly across the top of the vase. Then I'm gonna repeat. Now we're ready to fill it up with water. I've gone ahead and measured and trimmed all of my flowers using my trusty ruler to 8 and 9 inches. So each assortment I just split in half and cut half to 8 inches and half to 9 inches. That inch difference is really gonna add a lot of dimension, believe it or not, even though it's just an inch to this arrangement. We're gonna add 1 stem of each assortment of mini Calla Lilies to each box, trying to make sure the edge, this pretty edge of your bloom faces outwards. Gonna repeat. Now with our roses, you're basically just gonna fill in the gaps. And I like bunching groups of 2 or 3 roses together. It's up to you, whatever look you're going for. But when you bunch the roses together, it's actually called color blocking, a little fun fact. Very happy with how this turned out. It's so pretty, and it smells so good too. Added extra bonus. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something, and for more DIY for the girl on the go, go to howtogirl.com. Bye.